YouTube, this is OB1KNO3. I am making my first YouTube debut as recommended by ALLK. I'm on his Discord. I've been doing technical analysis with him for a while now, and he's recommended that I go to YouTube with my analysis. So here I am. So today I want to get started with the economic calendar. We had the inflation data come out today. Consensus was 8.8%, came in at 9.1%. So tomorrow I am looking for the PPI data to come out at 7:30 in the morning. Consensus is pretty much flat for all this data. I expect the forecast to be more realistic, but I'm going to go a little on the worse side and say that the numbers are going to come in worse than the forecast. So considering there's bad data coming out tomorrow, let's see how the SPY looks. All right, let's take a look at these SPY charts here. I don't have my lines pulled up. I'm sure you've seen plenty of analysis from all the other YouTubers. So I'm not going to get too much into it. SPY is not my main concern. I just want to get the general sense of where the market is headed. So we saw the price go up today, form this topping pattern here, drop, form this topping pattern here, drop, and looks like we ended the day on this big red candle. All right, so looking at the 1 hour chart, it looks like it topped out, headed south. There's a big gap here, big red candle will close the day. And there's the official OB1KNO3 sell signal. I see the 1 day chart. All the indicators here look bearish. I'll get into those in maybe later videos in the future, explain what these indicators are. But to get a general sense, it looks like it double topped, and then there's a needle pattern, needle candle, needle candle. This is heading lower, sequential 2 candle here, bearish. I think we're going to come down and test 362 at some point this week or next week. We got 2 more trading days, so if you take the length of these candles, it may actually hit 362.17. And on the weekly chart, I got this channel pulled up here. So it looks like it hits the top of the channel, comes down, top of the channel comes down, and now it's trading sideways. Maybe it'll hit the top of the channel here next week and then come down, or maybe it'll fail to and it'll just be another candle going south. This does look like a big old bear flag. Scan. This is my scan that I have set up to go bottom fishing. I'll get into this scan, the details of it in a later video in the future, but I just want to get a sense of what kind of stocks pop up that we can bottom fish. Let's run the scan. All right, we got some stocks here. So let's save this watch list. I'm going to save it as today's date. Got my watch list pulled up here, and then I'm going to go to my scan that I just ran. You can see all the stocks in my list that pulled up, they all ran up today, which is good, right? I like it. All right, so we're going to get started. I'm not going to focus so much on what type of company it is. I just want to kind of get through these stocks and show you what the power of technical analysis can do. So the first one we're going to look at, I'm going to sort this list by highest volume first. Let's look at INO. All right, look at that. Stock ran up from $1.91 all the way to $2.14. Hourly chart looks very bullish. That's a double bottom. That's a bullish looking double bottom. Let's see. There's a sell signal there, so there's a little concern. There's an inverted head and shoulders here, which looks like. This is not a buy for me right now because look at that. That's moving down. I like the daily chart. Price moved all the way from $9 to $1.38, and there's a sequential candle 1 here, so it may move up. I'll have to check out the price action tomorrow to see what this looks like. Let's see, on the weekly chart, the trend is slowly moving up bullish. Look at that coming out of the bottom there, the stochastic. Let me make that a little bit bigger. Look at that. Yep, that's definitely bullish on a weekly. That is bullish. And then the volume is not so high today, but average volume has been pretty good. You can see the volume is higher on the candles that were moving up. We got a red bullish hammer candle today, and the volume is low. So I expect the stock to move higher. All right, let's check out the next stock on the list here. And we have Lordstown Motors. Holy smokes, look at that. $1.80 it started off at, ended at $1.90. That's not a big move. That's 10 cents. But you can see here, similar scenario as the last one. We got bottomed here at $1.49, rose all the way to $1.98, then bottomed again around $1.49, moved all the way up. Looked like it was this looks like a head and shoulder patterns on the 1 hour chart. But it looks like a busted head and shoulders because then the price rose and now it's starting to look like a double top. So let's check out the technicals. It's above all the EMAs, that's bullish. The 200, this makes me nervous, the 50 EMA being below the 200. Stochastic is coming out of the bullish territory. The histogram's getting smaller, so this is looking like the price is going to come down. Or the 9 has almost crossed over the 20 here. The 9 EMA is a purple line, and the 20 EMA is a yellow line. Let me see if I can get a better view here. Wow, that is, yep, that's a bullish cross. So now I expect this to move up, but we got a needle top candle here, so that makes me nervous. Let's see. Stochastic definitely has room to move up. It doesn't look like it's going to cross. The histograms are moving up, bullish. Oscillators bullish. I like that. Let's see the volume. The volume is right around what it's been ever since the run up, so that's good. RSI's got room to move up, and let's check out the ATR for how much the price can move up. 16 cents. All right. So that means the price can rise, what is that? $1.97 to $2.03 is going to be my target here. I'm going to put that in. $2.03. Like that. There we go. All right, let's check out the weekly chart. Holy smokes, $31 all the way down to $1.49. Talk about bottom fishing. So this is the electric car company, and it may continue to go up. Like those are 2 green candles 2 weeks in a row. This week has to finish out, so maybe it'll move up a little bit higher than this. According to my daily chart indicators, it looks that way. So the volume's been dropping. It's been flat, which is good. Stochastic is moving bullish. RSI, that's moving up. That's good. So I like that pattern. Let's see what else we got. Here, so this is healthcare stock, and we're gonna have to maximize the sell. All right. Daily chart, we went from $3.52 to $3.94, and then price came back down. This looks bearish. Okay. And then we got hourly chart. The price started from the bottom here, which is 616, $2.54 all the way to $3.94. That's pretty good. So this looks, I don't like this needle top candle here, and looks like the stock is trending down on the 1 hour, which I'm gonna have to watch the price and see where it goes. Small, look at this big giant gap. So what is that? $84, and then it dropped to $11.79, somewhere around there, and now it's trading over here at $3. So if it could even get to the 200 EMA, looks like it's slowly rising. Let's see. I don't know about this. All these green candles, and then there's a topping candle here. I'll have to watch what the price action does, but this looks like it's crossing over bearish. The MACD oscillators are trending bullish. The volume has been pretty stable throughout the run up here. It's small. Started at, what is that low? $2.94, and then has been running up. So the ATR says that in 1 day, this can move up 28 cents. That's pretty good. If it could get to $4.09, somewhere around there, that'd be nice. So let me put that on here. $4.09. What I'm looking for. But I think this is gonna trend lower tomorrow. Now we're gonna look at the weekly, and holy smokes, look at that. $157 high in 2021, and then it dropped all the way to $2.54. And if you were not watching this stock in your portfolio, you would have had some significant losses. That's why I don't like biotech stocks, because they can drop, you know, after hours, pre-market, on bad news. So let's check this chart out. Yep, these candles are definitely trending up. Look at that, stochastic trending up. MACD histograms are trending bearish because they're getting smaller by the day, but the oscillators are trending bullish. The volume has significantly dropped. What is that volume? 1.9 million, and the highest we ever had was 168 million. It's insane. And then RSI is, how much longer can the RSI stay in oversold? It's slowly trending up. So, long-term bullish on the stock, but considering it's a biotech company, I don't know. And then I want to do one more stock for today, and I'll call it a day. Let's check out GRPH. This is another bio company. They do gene editing. Interesting. All right. So in my scan, daily chart, $3.02 all the way to $3. I'm sorry, $3.20 all the way to $3.60. $2.12 to $3.60 on the hourly. Big drop, almost $29 all the way down to $2.07. I like those kind of drops because then it's we're going bottom fishing. These stocks are cheap. What I don't like here is the sequential sell signal here. We're on sequential perfect sell candle 13. Let's see. This is trending bearish. This is bullish. Wow. Volume is good. RSI is getting closer to overbought, and ATR says 26-cent move. So what is the target here? $3.76. What do I think is going to happen tomorrow and Friday? I think the stock is going to continue to go down with the market, and there may be some buying opportunities there. The weekly chart is trending up too. Let's expand the weekly chart. So this would be a long-term hold for me if I were to get into this position. But once again, with biotech companies, anything can happen. That looks bullish. That looks bullish. Volume is trending down as the price is moving up. That's not good. That looks like a middle finger almost. All right, let's check out the RSI here. What do we got? RSI is trending up as well. So I like this, but once again, market's trending lower. Not a time to buy.